Ano, maurad ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi namin bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustle like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation and I'm tired of balling. It's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging natin bibig.
Ano, maorag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Hold on, catch a vibe, ain't no way ahead, we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicka slim shady with bravies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all of this high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga kampiyon!
Scorching afternoon, Bicolandia, and welcome back to Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. So again, makakasama niyo po ulit ako, Rick Puerta, and beside me is Jasper Abante to give you an update about the basketball happenings dito sa araw na ito. Ang maghaharap ngayon ay SAFE-JAZ versus the ADNU Golden Knights. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo this afternoon.
And of course, we're live here at the Naga College Foundation Tigers covered court for our 7th stretch ng ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. And of course, Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, 4 wins and 2 losses ang kanilang standing, while ang ating SAFE-JAZ Motors naman, or Tire Masters, having this 1 win and 5 losses for our OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. Kaya magandang bakbakan na naman ang matutunghayin natin for our first game this Saturday. And of course, yung players natin for Just Tire, medyo kakaunti sila, Rick. We have 7 players here, 2 lang yung nasa bench and 2 lang yung pwedeng magpahinga sa kanila at a time. But Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, I think they are complete to play for our first game this Saturday.
So another match to watch for this afternoon's Saturday OBL Elavil Cup games. So again, looking on our standing, Ateneo Golden Knights looking good as this league progresses, with committing to only 2 losses compared on the side of SAFE-JAZ na medyo bumpy yung roads dito sa kanilang journey sa OBL Elavil Cup. So let's see kung yung 1-5 ba dito na standing nitong ating SAFE-JAZ madadagdagan ng isang panalo, or will the Ateneo Golden Knights continue their winning streak dito sa ating liga? Because again, palapit na tayo sa ating semifinals round para dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. So let's see kung ano ang gagawin ng dalawang kupunan na to. And speaking of anong gagawin at ano ang bagong game plan, tanungin natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Kyla, what's your update there?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. Good afternoon, Oragons, and to all our basketball fans all around the world who are watching us live via GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on our 7th week for today. Ako po si Kyla Casulia at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. For their game today against the Just Tire, handang-handa na silang madagdagan ang kanilang panalo. According to Coach Arcane, they focus on their defense during the training dahil yun ang pinaka-importante. And also they focus on strengthening their communication inside the court dahil during the last game, they are lack on communication. Coaches continuously remind them to execute their plan and system properly. There's no room for complacency and to slow down during the game. Binibigyan din ng playing time ang ibang players to show what they've got. Will they get their 5th win this season? Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For now, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And ayun na nga, Rick, narinig natin handang-handa na naman itong ating Golden Knights na dagdagan ang kanilang panalo. Well, abangan natin yung mas pinaigting na defense and of course yung communication nitong mga players ng Golden Knights sa loob ng hardcourt. And let's see kung mag-slow down nga sila dito. And on the side naman ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters, nandiyan na rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update. Alright, so Chen, take it away.
Marhay na hapon, Rick and Jasper, and of course, hello sa aming mga Oragon viewers. We are now on the 7th week of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas and I am absolutely thrilled to be bringing you all the latest kaganapan dito lang sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. As I got a little conversation to jersey number 10, Justin Nuestro. Ika nga niya, when it comes to preparation, maigi nilang ni-review ang plays ng kabilang kupunan, pero win or lose, ika nga niya, i-enjoy pa rin nila ang laro kontra Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan lamang and I'll be back for more updates.
Ayan, thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So, SAFE-JAZ Star, pinag-aralan dito yung galaw nitong ADNU Golden Knights. But, first blood draw on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. So, let's see kung anong gagawin ditong adjustment on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star, knowing na kaunti dito yung players on their side. Meanwhile, Ateneo Golden Knights shuffling their players and titingnan dito yung full potential of every players. But may sagot doon ang SAFE-JAZ Tire with 2 points, deadlock at 2 para sa pagsisimula ng ating first quarter. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights, ball possession nasa kanila and unang 3 para dito sa ating laro. Courtesy of jersey number 10, Abrasaldo. Now, what would be the answer? Back-to-back steal for both teams. Wow. So far, maganda ang simula nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. Very aggressive when it comes to their offense para sa dalawang kupunan. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang momentum. No good on that attempt coming from Abrasaldo. Nuestro nagmamadali. Back to him, looking for his teammate, heavily guarded here. Passing it to Navarroza. Back to him with 14 or rather 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Navarroza no good on that triple. And now it's the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights ball possession, but it's still here coming from Josh Raypado. Let's see kung anong ganti ang gagawin dito dahil napapadalas rek yung opportunity nitong ating SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Now let's see. Martinez, Navarroza with that spin. Didiretso na nga at makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws. That is a foul coming from jersey number 21, Mark Bongala. And I think, Rick, on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, Coach Nuki is not around. Therefore, Coach Mark Vasquez and other coaching staff of the Golden Knights is in charge for their game this Saturday. And our running time is 8 minutes and 6 seconds, deadlock at 5. Pero lumamang ng isa yung ating SAFE-JAZ after that free throw by Navarroza. And now it's the Golden Knights ball possession. Anong gagawin nila dito? Now Monay on the mid-range to Mark Bongala. Diretso Mark Bongala makakakuha nga dyan ng karagdagang 2 points for the Golden Knights.
Now, SAFE-JAZ Star naman ngayon on the offense, Nuestro to Martinez. But a great steal on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 23 to Abrasaldo. Unsuccessful, but Bongala. Again, back-to-back points for him. This is very crucial on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star because kailangan na nila dito makakuha ng panalo sa ating liga. Meanwhile, Ateneo, nasabi ko nga kanina na very comfortable with their winning streak. Now, Pado, looking for his teammate, passing it to Martinez with 3 seconds to shoot.
Makakakuha nga dito, Rick, ng 2 free throws itong si Martinez on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters after that foul committed by Abrasaldo of the Golden Knights. Magandang opportunity rin ito for the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters na makapuntos. dahil 3 puntos pa lamang yung lamang dito ng ating Golden Knights. Well, kung mapapansin natin, Rick, dun sa mga past games nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, nakita natin yung hustle nila, yung effort nila, and yung napakagandang performance na ginagawa nila. And also, yung other players nila na hindi nila madalas pinapasok dun sa dati nilang games, ngayon, binibigyan na nila ng playing time. So abangan natin yung performance na dapat ipakita sa atin nitong Golden Knights. And also, SAFE-JAZ Masters. And as you can see, Abrasaldo is standing on the free throw line for his 3-point play opportunity. And now good on that.
Westeros secured that rebound on the side of their team. Abrasaldo. And now, great steal coming from Domingo, passing it to Abrasaldo. Pero andun si jersey number 23, Remoto, for that second chance point. Wow, the connection on the side of Ateneo. At makakaagaw pa nga dito si Beltran ng bola. Another opportunity on their side, but a traveling was called on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Again, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours.
Now, let's see kung anong ganti naman yung gagawin dito dahil medyo umangat na naman, Rek, yung lamang dito ng ating Golden Knights. Now, Navarroza, but a rejection here coming from Domingo of the Golden Knights. Now, Abrasaldo ngayon. Good connections of players. Domingo, maraming bantay Domingo. Mahihirapan nga dyan. But Abrasaldo to Beltran on the outside with Monay on that pull-up jumper. Patuloy na pagpuntos Golden Knights. Kailangang tigilan dito ng ating SAFE-JAZ Masters. Now Martinez. Now De Los Reyes asking for the ball. De Los Reyes well guarded here by Remoto. Now once again Martinez di diretso for the SAFE-JAZ Masters. And makakakuha na naman dito, Rick, ng 2 free throws after that foul committed by Abrasaldo. That will be the second foul of Abrasaldo dito sa ating first quarter. 5 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for our first quarter. And that first free throw by Martinez was good. And let's see if he can still get the second free throw. And ayun na nga, Rick. 2 points for Martinez.
Now, Abrasaldo passing it to Remoto. Chance for them to add their lead here. Beltran passing it to Monay. 14 to shoot. Unsuccessful, but Domingo puts that one in on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Another point conversion on their side. 17-8 is our score. And now, SAFE-JAZ again, they need to step up big time because slowly this Ateneo Golden Knights pulling away on our scoreboard. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 more seconds. And jersey number 20 for that 3. No good. Monay. Nagmamadali, passing it to Beltran and Domingo. Unsuccessful. Offensive rebound was good and Beltran with that layup. Now, SAFE-JAZ aiming for a point and makakakuha din dito ng pangbawi. Now, Remoto. Napakaganda ng palitan dito ng puntos for these both teams. Now, Pado, heavily guarded by Domingo. But, turnover on their side. Ateneo Golden Knights with that ball possession. Monay to inbound on their side. 21-10 is our score.
Ayun na nga, Rick, pumasok na dito si Kian Donia and Comida on the side of the SAFE-JAZ. Nagpapahinga na yung dalawa dito. Now let's see. Remoto. No good on the triple by Monay. And now SAFE-JAZ Masters. Kian Donia ngayon magtatawid ng bola. Now, De Los Reyes on the outside to Comida. Napakagandang footwork doon, but no good on that attempt. And now Golden Knights. Matatapik nga dito ni De Los Reyes ang bola. The same ball possession here for the Golden Knights. 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Let's see. Now, Golden Knights with Monay to inbound. Two minutes and 59 seconds for our first quarter.
And Jasper, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, SAFE-JAZ, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL KINGPIN, MARIANO Optical, MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, TRDV and Construction Supply, Tree and Bakery, and GILMAR, CASA, the DESCANSO.
Now, SAFE-JAZ, De Los Reyes, no good on that triple. And this time, SAFE-JAZ pa rin yung makakakuha dito ng opportunity after that steal by Pado. And now, Nuestro, wala pa rin on that triple. And it will be the ball possession of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. 11 big points yung lamang dito ng ating Golden Knights. Now, Monay, what will they do here? Remoto. Now, Beltran ngayon makakakuha ng puntos. Napakagandang connection yung nakikita natin dito sa mga players ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And napatawag na nga dito, Rick, ng timeout itong ating SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Yan ay hatid sa atin ng NOLCAST Construction and Supply. Well, this timeout is very crucial for them, lalong-lalo na dito pa lang sila, Rick, makakapagpahinga. And as we can see, 7 players on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Masters. And on your screen is the game highlights for our first quarter brought to us by Tree and Bakery. And as we can see, Rick, walang coach itong ating SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Coach Noel is not around, and kanilang diskarte yung laro natin for this Saturday. Sila yung gagawa ng game plan nila. Sila din yung mag-execute. So, walang ibang magtutulungan kundi sila lang on the side of the SAFE-JAZ. 13 big points yung lamang ng ating Golden Knights.
Now, after the timeout, ano ang gagawin ditong adjustment on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star para maidikit dito yung ating score? Because again, mahirap nang magkaroon dito ng napakaraming kalamangan itong Ateneo, because we know how to perform this Ateneo Golden Knights inside this hard court. And now, another successful layup on the side of their team. Foul was called on the side of the Ateneo, jersey number 21, Bongala. And with that, the ball possession will still remain on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star Nuestro. Passing it to De Los Reyes. Heavily guarded here. Looking for his teammate, Pado. Taking their time here. They need a good offense at this moment. And Mon Aureliano stealing that ball. Passing it to Bongala and getting a point on that last sequence. Wow, let's see on our instant replay. Hatid sa atin ng Anjana Trading and Safe Gasoline, Bongala with that layup.
And now Bongala will be standing on the free throw line for his 3-point play opportunity. Napakagandang performance pa rin yung pinapakita dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Lalong-lalo na, Rick, pinasok na nila yung mga scoring machines nila dito. Plaza and Mon Aureliano. Now, SAFE-JAZ, Pado, heavily guarded here by Bongala. Now, De Los Reyes, ayaw ng patawirin dito. Now, Magandang depensa nga, Rick, yung nakikita natin dito on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Josh Raypado, anong gagawin nila dito? Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws. Josh Raypado on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters with 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. And this time, Rick, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Think Pro Incorporated, Crown Park, Skytech Advertising, Homepet, Pen Cafe, AET Ads, Loud Siruma, Crown Hotel, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nisi Rafa Drug Mart, Tan Dental Clinic, Burley Deer Shop, VDC Massage and Spa, and Nick Z Shop. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta for our Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. And back to the ball game, Golden Knights. Grabe talaga, Rick, yung connection nila. What a follow-up shot naman doon for Mark Bongala on the side of the Golden Knights. Now Martinez, nag-iisa rito, pero nandito na yung kanyang teammates. Now Comida, another steal naman tayo dito, Rick. Mon Aureliano to Mark Bongala. Back-to-back points for Mark Bongala of the Golden Knights as we are down to the last 23 seconds on our first quarter. And now, a whistle coming from our officials. Matatawagan naman dito ng foul. Valle on the side of the Golden Knights.
On the free throw line, we have Martinez. Successful on that last free throw shot. But I would like to commend the defense on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Pinapahirapan nila dito itong SAFE-JAZ Star. That's why look at the score, 32-14. Wow, with those beautiful defense and steals na nagagawa dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, nagkakaroon dito ng paglobo ang kanilang puntos. Martinez naman ngayon with that layup.
Grabe naman yun, Rick. Nasabayan pa siya doon ni Plaza. And that will be a 3-point play opportunity here for Martinez. Look at that instant replay brought to us by Angena Trading and Safe Gasoline. Martinez back-to-back free throw shots. And that 3-point play opportunity was good on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe din yan. Almost a buzzer beater shot here for Plaza of the Golden Knights. And that's the end of our first quarter, 17-32. Don't go away because we'll be right back after this short commercial break brought to us by 3N Bakery. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan, pero na laging ating defense.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga...
And we are back here at the Naga College Foundation Tigers covered court for the second quarter of action. Bakbakan yan ng SAFE-JAZ Star Masters and the Golden Knights, with the Golden Knights leading here with a big points and a crucial error here for the early start of our second quarter. Another chance here for the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters to do their offense. And malaki-laking lamang Rick yung nagawang lamang nitong ating Golden Knights doon sa nagdaan na first quarter. So let's see kung ano pa yung gagawin nila dito with Fulgar doing that easy layup. And that fast break is brought to us by DELIGOLD Philippines. Now SAFE-JAZ our masters. Josh Raypado, well guarded here by Fulgar. And now De Los Reyes to Martinez on the outside. Nakikita natin Rick yung depensang mas pinaigting nila this time. But no good on that triple by Josh Raypado. And the same ball possession here for the Jazz Star Masters. Now, let's see. 2-second shot clock na lang pala Rick yung natitira dito for the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. This will be hard for them.
Now, with this 2 seconds on the shot clock, makakakuha ba dito ng magandang point conversion itong SAFE-JAZ Star, or again, maaagaw ito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 34-17 is our score. 8 minutes and 58 seconds remaining for this first half. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Shoutout kay Aljan Adayo, kay Lizelle Puerta, kay Pauline Puerta, at kay Raymond Puerta. Thank you so much and happy watching. Ayan, back to the ball game. Plaza stealing that one. And another beautiful layup on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And to hear an update on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star, let's call our courtside reporter Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita at ano pang gagawin dito ng inyong kupunan para makahabol dito sa ating score?
Well, thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of the game. And as we can see, patuloy na tinatrabaho ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master ang kanilang puntos para makadikit sa score ng kalaban. During the huddle nga, each player emphasize the importance of communication dahil halos lahat ay gustong makapuntos. Last reminder lang nila sa isa't isa na huwag matakot makipagsabayan. Sundin pa rin ang game plan at make it sure na slowly but surely ika nga yan lamang. And I'll be back for more updates.
Thank you so much, Ken, on that update from the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Let's see kung paano nila gagawin yung kanilang game plan on the second quarter of action. Lalong-lalo na patuloy pa rin yung paglamang nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe, tuloy-tuloy na pagpuntos dito. And as we can see, malaking lamang na talaga yung nagawa dito ng Golden Knights. Now, speaking of the Golden Knights, nandiyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Alright, so Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Maganda nga ang naging simula ng Golden Knights for this game. They are reminded to be consistent and all out in every move they make. The momentum continues on their side. They are reminded by the individual role inside the court and they need to lessen their turnovers for this quarter. Lamang man pero hindi dapat maging kampante at dapat mas maging motivation ito para sa tuloy na momentum. During the huddle, they are reminded to always listen and be aware of the movement of their teammates. Kailangan paganahin ng team chemistry para sa tuloy-tuloy na momentum. Communication is a must. Ika nga ni Coach Arkin. Una ang update for now, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Carla, for that update. So yun nga, kailangan lang dito maging consistent on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights because they're doing great. Para dito sa ating second quarter, 42-17 is our score. Consistency is the key if they want to snatch this game against the SAFE-JAZ Star. SAFE-JAZ Star with the ball possession. Nuestro, heavily guarded, fires for 3, In and out ball. And andon si Fulgar with that rebound on the side of Ateneo. Fulgar, mid-range jumper. And it was good on the side of their team. Now, SAFE-JAZ Star naman ngayon. Let's see kung makakabawi dito ang kanilang kupunan at makakakuha na ng magandang sunod-sunod na mga puntos. Pado, traveling ang itatawag on that last sequence. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights, Remoto to inbound, passing it to Fulgar. Back to Remoto. And jersey number 8, Aureus.
Now, Just Our Masters, anong gagawin dito? Here, as we can see, Nuestro nahihirapang tumawid dito, pero no good on that teardrop shot. And this time, Fulgar to Aureus. Let's take a look here. Dahil hindi pa doon tinuloy ni Aureus, talagang pinasa niya pa ito kay Mac Tripolka. And Tripolka was good on that mid-range jumper. And now, SAFE-JAZ, anong gagawin dito? Still Nuestro, tatawid ngayon ng bola. And a heavy defense talaga yung nakikita natin dito on the side of the Golden Knights. Kian Donya, anong gagawin dito? Now, CJ De Los Reyes, Nuestro, no good on the triple. Saktong-sakto yung pag-expire sana nung shot clock, Rick, pero it's the Golden Knights this time. Rodney Fulgar, grabe naman yun, Rick. Talagang tinuloy-tuloy na nila yung pagpuntos dito. Very big lead na naman yung ginagawa nila dito. 31 big points.
A much needed point on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star. Now Tripulka passing it to Remoto. Jersey number 14 fires for 3 and getting that one in. Monay with that 3 points. And that 3-point is brought to us by Gilmar CASA de Descanso. So it's 2 points on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. (52-21) is our score. Rather, 54-21 is our score. And on that instant replay, what a nice shot para dito kay Remoto on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. At makakakuha pa nga dito ng foul ang side ng SAFE-JAZ Star. Now, Remoto adding that 2 points with that free throw. Wow. Lahat ng player dito sa side ng Ateneo talagang nagko-contribute para dito sa kanilang kupunan at para dagdagan pa at palubuhin pa dito ang kalamang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. Now, Navarroza, heavily guarded here, tries for that and successful this time.
Now, Golden Knights, Monay nagmamadali dito. Parang may pupuntahan. Let's see. Grabe naman yung rejection doon nitong si Navarroza. And this time, Comida ngayon gagawa ng diskarte. Nilabas niya muna ito kay Nuestro, but still no good on that 3-point shots by the SAFE-JAZ. Hirap na hirap sila dito, Rick. But still trying. Another rejection here for Navarroza. Grabe naman. Talaga nakaabang lang doon, Rick, si Navarroza. Maghihintay lang ng titira. And Nuestro this time was good with his teardrop shot. 25-55 ang ating score. And now, Domingo on the outside. Now, I think kailangan ng galingan dito ng Golden Knights dahil as you can see, Coach Noki kakarating lang. And now, Domingo to Monay. Tingnan natin yung ipapakita nila dito kay Coach. Nako, No good on that attempt by Monay. Pero the simple possession here for the Golden Knights dahil matatawagan dito ng foul itong si Nuestro of the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Still, big point streak yung lamang dito ng ating Golden Knights on our first half with 2 minutes and 56 remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Now let's see kung ano pa yung idadagdag na opensa dito ng ating Golden Knights. Grabe naman yan. Sigurado na. Remoto for the 3 points. Atid sa atin yan ng GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. And now, SAFE-JAZ Star Masters Martinez. Maraming kasabay dito. Maaagawan na nga yan ni Abrasaldo. And now, remoto na naman ang pupuntos. Grabe. Instant 5 points agad yun kay Remoto.
Yes. Now, SAFE-JAZ Star naman ngayon. Again, kailangan nila ditong basagin yung defense on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights if they want to have a good conversion of point. Great steal coming from Martinez. Now, Nuestro to Martinez. They really need this one. They really need a point at this moment. And passing it to the wrong person. And now Monay to Remoto. And
Grabe
again,
yung
Remoto. Back-to-back points for him. Wow.
Grabe. Ang gandang momentum dito ng ating Golden Knights and a very commendable performance here for Remoto and all of his teammates. Grabe. Abrasaldo naman ngayon, Rick, ang magpapakitang gilas. Talagang magiging proud dito si Coach Doki. Lalong-lalo na. Kakarating niya lang. And Domingo. Grabe. Almost a slam there. But no good on that attempt. But still, it's their ball possession. Domingo. Still no good for Domingo. For his third attempt, wala pa rin. Grabe naman yon. In and out ball for his second attempt. And now, another chance here for the Golden Knights. Bonggala to Abrasaldo. Pero sinabayan doon ni Pado. Pero may follow up itong ating Golden Knights. Still, they are dominating the hard court from the first quarter. Second quarter. Now, let's see. Josre Pado, well guarded here by Domingo. De Los Reyes will be fighting for 3. No good on that triple. And this time, Monay to Remoto. Once again, no good on that attempt by Remoto. Now, 30 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Justin Cal Nuestro. Anong gagawin dito? No good on that pull-up jumper. Still, hirap na hirap.
Yes.
But they are trying their best trick na makapuntos at mabawasan yung lamang dito ng ating Golden Knights. And on that last sequence out of bounds, napalakas na yung pasa nitong si Monay. 15 seconds remaining for our first half with the ball possession of the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. De Los Reyes for the sideline inbound. And now Kian Donya magtatawid ng bola. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito. 9 seconds remaining. Martinez. Didiretso Martinez. 4 seconds but still a steal from the Golden Knights. Pero hindi na makakaunted dito yung tira ni Mark Bonggala. 25-68. Very, very big margin. Lead ng ating Ateneo Naga. Golden Knights, don't go away because we'll be right back after this short halftime break brought to us by MNL Kingpin, only here on...
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga kampiyon!
So completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and you ready for anybody to buck back? Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicka slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all of this high school, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back here at the Naga College Foundation Tigers covered court for the second half of action. Napakagandang momentum ang nagawa ng ating Golden Knights for our first half. And for that, in and out ball, yung three-pointer doon ni Plaza. And now, it will be hard for the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters to secure their second win this game dahil mahaba-haba at malaki-laki yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. And now, stepping on the line ang itatawag dito kay CJ De Los Reyes, and another chance here for the Golden Knights. And speaking of the Golden Knights, dun sa ating halftime stats, ayan, Remoto having 18 points here for the Golden Knights, 3 rebounds and 1 assist. And a very commendable performance here for the Golden Knights. Remoto yung nag-stand up sa kanila for the first half. So let's see dito sa ating second half dahil talagang malaki rik yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. 45 big points. And on our third quarter, ano kaya yung idadagdag pa dito ng ating SAFE-JAZ. And of course, ang ating Golden Knights, matatawagan nga dito ng foul. Valle of the Golden Knights. Now, still here coming from Valle. Now, diretso ngayon Valle for that layup. And now, Nuestro naman ngayon. Anong gagawin dito ni Nuestro? On the outside. Looking for a good opportunity. Anong diskarte ang gagawin nila dito? Now, Justin Kyle Nuestro. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Kyla on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. Maganda pa rin nga ang pinapakita ng Golden Knights for this game dahil malaki pa rin ang kanilang kalamangan against the Jazz Star. We can see the eagerness of the Golden Knights to get their fifth win this season. Dalawang quarter pa man ang tatahakin pero they are more ready na mas ipakita ang kanilang galing to really get this win. Bago matapos ang huddle, they are all reminded to never settle, be aggressive, play smarter, and never be complacent. Yan unang apit sa ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, ang kailangan na lang ditong gawin on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights is maging consistent sa kung anong performance ang binibigay or ipinapakita nila coming from our first quarter up until dito sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter. You know what, Jasper? Napakaganda dito ng depensa on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. That's why kanino ko pa ito binabanggit na pinapahirapan itong SAFE-JAZ Star makalusot sa depensa on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star. Again, very commendable player Remoto together with Bongala on the side of the Ateneo. At tinutulungan naman dito ng iba't ibang players ng Ateneo. That's why napakaganda ng linalaro on their side. Meanwhile, to know more about the adjustment on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second half of the game at nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa ating Game 1 for the 7th week of Oragon Basketball League. Kitang-kita naman na paunti-unting pinapakita ng SAFE-JAZ Star ang kanilang determinasyon dahil sa kabila ng kulang sila ngayon sa team, puso, isip at huwag pahirapan ng sarili sa depensa at iyan ang kinakailangan nilang gawin para dito sa second half of the game. Kaya naman, let's see kung may magbabago ba para dito sa ating third quarter of the game. Yan lamang. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Shannon, for that update from the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. And ayun na nga, mahaba-haba, malaki-laki yung kailangan nilang habulin dito with the 6th minute mark ng ating third quarter. Now, Justin Kyle Nuestro to CJ De Los Reyes. They are still trying, Rick, na mabawi dito yung lamang nitong ating Golden Knights. Now gonna that triple by Kian Donya, but another chance for them. Pado, mapapalakas dito yung tira. And now Mon Aureliano with Nuestro. Grabe naman yon. Traveling violation ang itatawag dito kay Mon Aureliano. Brought to us by Naga yun, Travel and Tours. And as we can see, Rick, pagdating ni Coach Noki, he is not coaching those players ng Golden Knights. Talagang Coach Noki is there to watch their performance. Still in charge for the coaching staff of the Golden Knights is Coach Mark Vasquez and the other coaching staffs. And this time, SAFE-JAZ Star Masters maaagawan na naman dito. What a steal by Valle and Mon Aureliano. No, gonna on that triple. Now Josh Raypado makukuha yung defensive rebound na yan. Almost losing that ball. But CJ De Los Reyes is there. Still no gonna that triple by Martinez. And now Valle once again Wala pa rin dun sa mga patres nila. But Beltran, makakakuha na dyan ng 2 points on the side of the Golden Knights.
83-25 is our score. Wow. Ateneo very comfortable with their lead para dito sa ating third quarter. Kitang-kita natin dito na they really want to win this game. Wow, kahit papalit-palit dito ng players on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, nagkakaroon pa rin sila ng napakagandang connections inside the court. That's why their score is 83 kontra sa 27 lamang ng SAFE-JAZ Tire. Wow. If this good performance continues on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, I think magkakaroon sila ng laking kalamangan dito sa ating laro. Meanwhile, SAFE-JAZ Tire, again, nakikita natin dito yung struggles nila when it comes to their offense because of the tight defense shown on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. But ginagawa nila ng paraan slowly itong ating laro, knowing na kulang nga sila dito. That's why kitang-kita naman talaga na medyo nahihirapan dito ang kanilang kupunan. Titingnan na lang natin dito kung after this 4 minutes and 35 seconds kung may magkakaroon ba ng changes on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Tire. Meanwhile, on that last sequence, nagkaroon ulit ng 3 points itong Ateneo Golden Knights. On your screen is our instant replay brought to us by Anjana Trading.
And now, it's the ball possession of the Ateneo Naga Golden Knights. Monay, patuloy na pagpuntos ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Mukhang makakaabot na sila dito sa 100 points mark for our third quarter. Napakagandang performance talaga, Rick. Nakita natin yung mas pinaigting na defense at mas pinaigting na communication sa loob ng hard court. But still, nakikita rin natin, Rick, yung talagang eagerness nitong ating Jazz Tire na makabawi with Abrasaldo. No good on that triple on the side of the Golden Knights, and 3 minutes 50 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Ayan, at talagang mahirap for the Jazz Tire Masters na pumuntos at gumawa ng magandang play dahil marami silang disadvantages, Rick, ngayong araw. Isa is limited yung kanilang mga players. They only have 7 players to play and no coach. And ayun nga, Coach Noel is not around here for the SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Talagang sila lang yung magtutulong-tulungan sa loob ng hard court. Sila yung gagawa ng game plan, sila rin yung mag-e-execute. And as we can see here, grabe yung pag-ipaikot-ikot na ni Monay. But Abrasaldo is there to help Monay. Matatawagan pa nga dito ng foul itong si Kian Donya with Abrasaldo standing on the free throw line for his 3-point play opportunity. 29-90 ang ating score. Very big margin, very big lead ng ating Golden Knights. I think this is the very big margin na nagawa nila, Rick, for the entire OPL Elavil Cup Season 1. That is 61 big points. And still, grabe. Talagang mabilisan kung mabilisan. Sabi nila, mag-slow down daw yung ating Golden Knights, pero hindi naman natin nakikita yung pag-slow down nila. Talagang pukol kung pukol pagdating sa opensa dito. And still no good on that attempts by the SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Patuloy pa rin sa pag-layup itong ating Ateneo Naga Golden Knights. And that layup is brought to us by Samuel Madridano. And now, Martinez to Comida. The SAFE-JAZ, maaagawan na naman dito ni Valle. Pero that will be a backcourt violation yan, Rick. Sabi ni Coach Noki, dapat dun mo na pinasa. And still a big margin, Rick. 29-92 as we are down to the last 2 minutes and 3 seconds of our third quarter. Now, De Los Reyes. Almost losing that ball. Natuluyan nang makuha ang bola dito ng ating Golden Knights, Domingo. And now, Mac Tripolka, pull-up jumper. Muntik na. And that is 2 points here for Mac Tripolka. Now, let's see. Papahirapan pa ditong tumawid ni Mac Tripolka. Itong si De Los Reyes. Now, Kian Donya. Ano ang gagawin nila dito? Well guarded here by Monay. Now, Kian Donya. Almost losing that ball. Pero out of bounds as the SAFE-JAZ Masters will take that ball possession. Grabe. Napakagandang laban yung natunghayan natin on our first game this Saturday. And we have a quadruple header action this Saturday. No good on that long three by CJ De Los Reyes and Domingo. Dunk. What a dunk naman doon by Domingo. And agad namang gaganti dyan ng easy layup naman itong si Martinez of the SAFE-JAZ Masters. Napakagandang momentum pa rin ang nakikita natin dito from the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see kung kaya nila yung 100 points mark. Ay yun na nga, natuluyan na. 100 points of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. 31 naman dito sa ating SAFE-JAZ Masters. Take note, third quarter pa lang tayo pero yung puntos ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights pangkatapusan na ng laban. So let's take a look kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating SAFE-JAZ Masters with 10 seconds on the game clock. And saktong-sakto naman doon yung pagtira nitong si Comida. Now, Domingo once again almost getting that slam. Pero nandun itong si Josh Raypado and Comida para pigilan siya kung ano naman yung gusto niyang gawin doon. And that's the end of our third quarter, 33-100. Very, very big lead ng ating Golden Knights. Don't go away because we'll be right back after this short commercial break brought to us by Trian Bakery.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our fourth and final quarter. Again, matchup between SAFE-JAZ versus Ateneo Golden Knights. At ang ating naiwang score is 133. Wow, nabanggit mo nga kanina dito na yun pa lang yung latter part on our third quarter. But Ateneo Golden Knights making sure na makukuha na nila yung 100-point mark dito sa ating laro. And now, this fourth and final quarter will be the testament on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights kung magiging consistent ba ang kanilang players. And SAFE-JAZ naman, ano ang gagawin dito to lessen the gap na hawak ng Ateneo, because at this moment, everything goes well on the side of Ateneo. And all the players are contributing well on their point conversion. That's why hindi natin alam dito, Jasper, kung sino ang makakakuha ng taas na points dito sa players on the side of Ateneo. And again, SAFE-JAZ still trying to get their momentum, their groove inside this hard court. But again, the defense on the side of Ateneo is palpable para dito sa ating larong ito. Now, another 2 points was added on their side. SAFE-JAZ naman ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Donya, passing ito na Varosa. Fires for 3, unsuccessful in that one. Plaza secures that rebound, but is still coming from De Los Reyes. And to hear an update on the side of SAFE-JAZ, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Well, Rick and Jasper, andito na nga tayo sa fourth and final quarter of the game. Despite the effort na makahabol nga dito sa kanilang game, ay hindi pa rin makadikit ang SAFE-JAZ sa score ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman kung ano man ang maging resulta ng larong ito, kailangan nilang maging heads up dahil binigay at nilaban nila ang larong ito kahit kulang sila sa team. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Shan, on that update from the side of the SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Kitang-kita naman natin, Rick, yung eagerness talaga nila na maglaro for this game. Kahit na kulang yung players nila, wala si Coach Noel, but still, they are doing what they can dito sa ating first game ngayong Sabado. And this time, patuloy pa rin yung paglamang nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. So let's see kung ano pa yung dapat nating abangan dito sa fourth and final quarter. Now on the other side, Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup and the momentum continues on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakalaking kalamangan nga ang kanilang naitala for this game. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanilang pag-arangkada para makuha ang panalong ito and to stick Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Nakorek kung momentum lang naman yung pag-uusapan natin dito. Talagang arangkada itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, dominating the hard court from the first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. I think it's a history, Rick, na magkaroon ng 100 points sa third quarter pa lamang ng laro. But this time, as you can see, patuloy pa rin yung pagpuntos nila dito. Iba't ibang players yung nagkakaroon dito ng chance na makapuntos on the side of the Golden Knights. Pero ayun na nga, narinig rin natin kanina, Rick, according sa team player or the team captain ng ating SAFE-JAZ Masters, they will really enjoy this game because probably this will be their last game, Rick, for Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 as we are near sa ating finals or semi-finals. So as we can see, still trying their best, pinapakita pa rin nila yung kanilang potensyal at yung kaya nilang gawin na talagang hindi rin sila basta-bastang team and kayang-kayang makipagsabayan on the side of the Golden Knights. And this time, mapapatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang ating SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Kaya naman pasalamatan muna natin, Rick, ang ating mga sponsors. We have here Mary's Coffee, Mangkok's Kinalaz, Chick and Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetic, Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Ako BICOL Party List, Anjena Trading, Surge Fitness Lifestyle, and Angel's Pizza, and also KD Sportswear, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Bunny and Piggy Distributors, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies, Machichu, Boneless Fried Chicken, and Lemon Zone. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. And as we continue this game in our 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining, malaki-laki na yung lamang dito, Rek, ng ating Golden Knights. 36-110 ang ating running score. So at least yung kailangan gawin dito ng SAFE-JAZ Masters is ibaba, lessen the gap against the Golden Knights.
Now, Golden Knights again, nagmamadali. Monay, or rather Abrasaldo, maaagawan dito ng bola ni Martinez. Heavily guarded by the Ateneo Golden Knights player, and Remoto successful on stealing that ball. Domingo in and out ball. And the ball will remain on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And 14 seconds on the shot clock and 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining on our game clock. Wow. Ateneo again and again. Napakaganda ng depensa and samahan pa yan ng opensa coming from Bongala. SAFE-JAZ tire on the offense. Forcing that one. Unsuccessful. Domingo getting that rebound. But a traveling violation was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Again, traveling is more fun with Nagayan Travel and Tours.
And of course, Trek, our next game will be the UNC Trifit Naga and the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Magandang laban yung matutunghayan na naman natin dahil still looking for their first win ang ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks dito sa 7th week ng ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. And of course, we promise that we will continue to give you top-tier basketball actions dito lamang yan sa Oragon Basketball League and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Domingo, what a slam here. Grabe. Napakagandang slam.
Yes.
Mukhang ngayon lang natin yung Rick nakita yung mga padunk nitong si Anthony Domingo.
And you know what, Jasper?
Angelo.
No mercy. Talaga itong Ateneo. Kitang-kita na natin yung kalamangan nilang hawak. But still, performing well para dito sa ating 4th and final quarter. Wow! Ateneo Golden Knights. Pinakitaan naman tayo ngayon ng napakagandang laro ng kanilang kupunan. And I'm sure the Ateneo fans, Ateneo community talagang nagdidiwang na para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights team because of their beautiful performance. 118-36 is our score. Wow! Again, lahat ng players dito sa side ng Ateneo talagang nagko-contribute. Their passing, their backs out, their offense, their layup, on point on the side of their team. That's why nakaproduce sila ng ganitong score. 118. Wow. SAFE-JAZ tire naman. Again, nakita natin dito na ang daming lapses on their side, knowing na kulang nga dito yung kanilang kupunan. And at the same time, wala sila ditong head coach. That's why mahihirapan talaga dito magkaroon ng game plan itong kanilang kupunan, knowing na sila lang yung nag-huddle dito. At samahan pa yun ng kulang. So dalawa lang dito ang nagpapahinga pag nasa loob yung 5. That's why kitang-kita naman natin dito na hirap nga ang SAFE-JAZ. But again, the fighting spirit is there. Talagang hindi pa dito bumibitaw yung kanilang kupunan. But again, Ateneo, 120-38 on our scoreboard.
Grabe, Rick. For sure, magiging kaabang-abang na yung mga future games nitong ating Ateneo Naga Golden Knights dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 because sa paparating nating quarterfinals, talagang magkakaroon to ng magandang match itong ating Ateneo Naga Golden Knights. Talagang magkakaroon sila ng koponan na talagang makakasabay sa kanilang performance. And finally, we are down to our last 2 minutes mark of our 4th and final quarter. Grabe yun, Rick. Napakagandang momentum talaga yung nakita natin on the side of the Ateneo Naga Golden Knights. Grabing run na yung ginagawa nila dito since kanina pa naman hindi nakakapuntos itong ating SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. But alam mo yun, Rick, yung pinaka-importante talaga sa isang laro is na-enjoy nila. Well, yun naman talaga yung gustong mangyari nitong ating SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters, to enjoy this game. And of course, ADNU Naga Golden Knights, you have mentioned earlier, Rick, na talagang no mercy dahil kanina pa malaki yung lamang nila, but still pumupuntos, pero makakapuntos naman dito si Navarrosa. That will be a big 3, nothing but the net, brought to us by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Last minute for our 4th and final quarter. Kung salid lang naman, Rek, yung pag-uusapan natin, Rek, talagang malaki. And ang magiging kaabang-abang dito, Rek, is kung sino yung magiging best player of the game. Dahil ayun na nga, Rick, nakita naman natin na lahat sila binigyan ng opportunity, lahat sila binigyan ng magandang chance na makapuntos, maipakita yung kanilang potential at of course, yung kanilang skills. Now, we are down to the last 20 seconds ng ating 4th and final quarter na tigilan na rin itong dalawang teams natin. And this will be a sweet taste of victory for the ADNU Naga Golden Knights, securing their 5th win this season. Congratulations po sa ating ADNU Naga Golden Knights as we hear the final buzzer for this game. Very commendable performance to the whole team and of course to each players ng ating ADNU Naga University. And of course, also congratulations here for the SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. And we hope na na-enjoy talaga nila, Rick, yung larong ito, lalong-lalo na marami silang disadvantages. Only 7 players to play here for the SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters without their head coach. And that's the end of our 4th and final quarter. Don't go away dahil mamaya lamang, Rick, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Moraga? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And our best player of the game is brought to us by Nonoy Magtoto. And beside me is our best player of the game, jersey number 23, Adrian Remoto with 18 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, and 2 steals. Congratulations on your win dito sa ating unang match ng Saturday basketball action. So, ano yung nararamdaman mo na umabot sa 122 yung score ng ADNU Golden Knights and securing your 5th win dito sa ating liga?
Siyempre, unang-una sa lahat, siyempre masaya kasi yun naman yung gusto ng coach namin. And yung ipinakita namin yung best effort namin from first to fourth. Yun.
And ano pa yung aabangan namin sa ADNU Golden Knights knowing na meron kayong magandang winning streak? So ano yung aabangan pa ng fans ng ADNU para sa next game talagang susuportahan pa nila ang ADNU Golden Knights?
Siguro ngayon, yung chemistry namin parang gumaganda na din. Tapos yung defense talaga namin yung puhunan namin sa every game. Yun.
And lastly, this is your chance to shout out all the supporters na talaga namang nakatutok at sumusuporta sa ADNU Golden Knights from day 1 up until this game.
So, shout out kay Mami, kay Daddy na laging nanonood. Day 1s ka sila. Tapos sa mga kapatid ko din. Tapos sa mga team looban, shout out sa inyo. Tapos yung mga teammates ko sa sina coach. Ulo kayong lahat.
Ayun again, congratulations. Beside me is our best player of the game, Adrian Remoto.
Thank you po.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Ayun na nga at nakilala na natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than Adrian Remoto, brought to us by Kuya Nonoy Magtuto. Maraming salamat po sa ating courtside girlies na nakasama. We have Chen and Kyla. And of course, lahat ng tumutok for our first game this Saturday, dyan lamang kayo dahil meron pa tayong 3 games na nantitira ngayong Sabado. Our next game will be the ACLC Think Pro Hawks versus the UNC Trifit Naga. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Brick Puerto. For more actions, just tune in on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Moraga? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!